we're gonna unbox the 24G2. So right here you can see
Take a stand.
the monitor. Wow, looks very nice. You'll see the monitor on the top of the box. It will show the feature of the monitor. What features does it have? Like, you know, you have the FreeSync, like what Alexi said, the FreeSync, the 144Hz, and the 1ms response time.
Right. Let's just
so
have a bit of teamwork, yeah, boys. Yeah. And yeah, it's best to always slide it down, basically.
yeah, so that you don't, you prevent any damages to the monitor.
Oh, it looks like a baby, eh? Sorry, a bit struggling with our teamwork.
Right here. So we have the standard cables, the HDMI, DisplayPort cables, and the VGA cables, the power cables. To get the best experience for the 144Hz monitor, is basically use a DisplayPort cable. Reason why it has a higher bit rate in the monitor.
I think right now I own like 2 monitors, and I don't think that a lot of like those other companies, they provide three different cable, and this is something this is a feature that I really like it a lot. Like, in any case of time, like, you don't have to, oh no, I don't have this monitor, they don't have this cable for this feature. I have to go down to like whatever shop and buy. So I really think that's pretty cool of AOC to provide all 3 cables.
And then here we have the AOC stand
for the base of the monitor, and
this is the arm for the monitor. This is an adjustable stand.
What is one, when you purchase a monitor, what is the most, what are you afraid of?
Having scratches on the screen.
Having scratches and damaging the monitor, right? So what I really think that you should do, like when you're going to install this monitor, is that you're going to take out the protective foam of the monitor first.
So here's how you're going to install the arm. Basically, you have 2 hooks right here. Basically, just insert it on top of the 2 gaps that's on top. And then basically, you hear this sound?
The beautiful
base is
click sound, right?
How you're going to install the base is very simple. There's a screw at the back, so what I do is just insert and screw.
It's actually very simple.
This is really simple, and I don't think that it'll take a lot of time when you install.
I also want to say, if you all don't realize, like this, especially AOC monitors, have like this kind of design and unique design
it's
pattern.
A sleek looking.
And it's very nice.
Be careful with it.
Just let me.
So yeah, less than 3 minutes to install the whole monitor.
Yep. So as you can see right here, this arm is basically an adjustable stand. So as you can see, basically I'm able to adjust the height of the monitor itself, which is really good.
FPS players like us, we like to really slant our keyboard, and like AOC, the base especially, let us like really like slant our keyboard basically, right?
Makes us comfortable when
so that it won't be like in your way and stuff like that. You won't mess up a keyboard placement and stuff like that.
Another feature of this monitor is it has a response time of 1 ms. Yeah, so basically there's zero delays towards the monitor
any input
itself.
lag and stuff like that.
Yeah. So
can I ask, what is really very, how do I say, like very good thing about 144Hz? Like, what's the difference?
if you were to compare a 60 Hz to a 144 Hz monitor, you can really tell the difference. 144 Hz basically has a high refresh rate. You know, everything that you see is much more smoother than you can see in 60 Hz.
Okay, so basically you guys can check their Facebook page as well, AOC Gaming Zone Singapore. Make sure you go follow and like, and especially share your experience with all the AOC monitors. You can go and check like their gaming stuff and etc. And yeah.
Okay, so right now we have come to the end of the unboxing video. Thank you for watching and stay safe and mask on.
Thanks AOC for the mask.
Thanks AOC for the invite.
Okay, wait, I terbalik.
See you guys at Sunday. AOC Masters.
Bye.